If you want to learn more about AI, blockchain, Spring Boot, and other technologies, don't forget to like, share, and follow 7MC Official. Thank you.
To effectively learn Python, immerse yourself in features that promote active engagement rather than passive consumption. Begin by exploring variables and data types. Understanding str, int, float, and bool serves as the fundamental building blocks of your programming journey. Next, introduce yourself to operators such as plus, dash, asterisk, and /, as these will empower you to execute calculations and logic essential for creating effective scripts. As you progress, grasping conditions with if, elif, and else becomes crucial, enabling you to implement decision-making in your code. Complement this knowledge with loops, utilizing for and while to automate repetitive tasks, making your code more efficient. When you feel confident, move on to functions, which allow you to write reusable code and enhance the structure of your programs. Additionally, focus on data structures like lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets, which are vital for managing data effectively in diverse applications. As you gain proficiency, practicing string operations such as slicing and f-strings will expand your ability to manipulate text, a common requirement in real-world programming scenarios. Don't bypass error handling techniques using try, except, and finally to ensure your program runs reliably, followed by mastering file handling to interact with real data. Finally, delve into more complex concepts like modules, OOP, and libraries, which will allow you to utilize existing tools and build more sophisticated projects quickly. Through this structured approach, you will set a solid foundation for mastering Python. As you embark on this journey, remember the 20/80 strategy for rapid learning. First, delve into one concept thoroughly, then create 5 to 10 small examples that apply your new knowledge. Challenge yourself by solving 3 to 5 exercises without peeking at the answers. You'll solidify this understanding by building a tiny project based on what you've learned before moving on to the next concept, ensuring that each step is an active part of your learning process. This method not only reinforces your skills, but also fosters creativity in your coding practice. As you continue through the learning process, consider starting with simple projects to reinforce your skills. In Level 1, attempt creating a calculator or a number guessing game. These projects will enable you to apply the fundamental concepts you've mastered, enhancing your understanding while keeping the experience enjoyable. Remember, these foundational projects are essential stepping stones to more complex applications later on. In Level 2, challenge yourself with a to-do list application or a password generator, which will further enhance your coding skills while introducing you to data handling and user interaction. In Level 3, you can tackle ambitious projects like a web scraper or a weather application, which will deepen your understanding of Python by applying your skills in real-world scenarios. By building these applications, you not only solidify your learning, but also create valuable portfolio pieces that showcase your capabilities in programming.